Greetings, everyone. Welcome back. Today, we're diving into an intriguing question you might have pondered, but never fully explored. Why aren't pharmaceutical tablets shaped like triangles, rectangles, or squares? Join me as we uncover the reasons behind this design choice in the world of medication. The first one is safety and swallowing. Let's start with safety and ease of swallowing. Ever wondered why you've never come across triangular, rectangular, or square-shaped tablets? Well, one significant reason is safety. Sharp corners or edges on triangular or square tablets can potentially get stuck in the throat, posing a choking hazard. Pharmaceutical companies prioritize patient safety, and choosing round or oval shapes significantly reduces the choking hazard associated with tablets. Studies have shown that round tablets with diameters under 8 mm pose the least difficulty for swallowing. The second one is manufacturing challenges. Moving on to manufacturing, the process of creating tablets with non-standard shapes like triangles or rectangles is far more complex. The machinery used in pharmaceutical production is optimized for circular or oval forms, making the production of these shapes more challenging and costlier. Efficiency is paramount in the pharmaceutical industry, and the streamlined production of round tablets allows for quicker, more cost-effective manufacturing. The third one is uniform distribution of active ingredients. The distribution of active ingredients within a tablet is crucial for its effectiveness. Circular or oval shapes allow for a more uniform distribution, ensuring consistent dosage throughout the tablet. Achieving this level of uniformity is more challenging with non-standard shapes, potentially impacting the tablet's therapeutic effectiveness. During compression, the active ingredients distribute more evenly within a round shape compared to tablets with sharp angled edges. The fourth one is stability and breakage concerns. Stability and breakage concerns are also key factors. Round tablets are inherently more stable and less prone to breakage, preserving the integrity of the medication during handling, transportation, and storage. Sharp corners on triangular or square tablets increase the risk of breakage, compromising the medication's quality and potentially leading to inconsistent dosages. A stable tablet ensures that the medication remains effective from the moment it's manufactured until it reaches you. It's a key factor in ensuring the reliability and potency of the medication over its shelf life. The fifth one is packaging and storage challenges. Packaging and storage are areas where practicality comes into play. Circular or oval tablets are easier to handle, package, and store. They fit neatly into blister packs and containers, minimizing wasted space and ensuring efficient use of packaging materials. Non-standard shapes would complicate packaging processes, possibly leading to increased costs and environmental impact. The convenience of packaging and storage not only benefits manufacturers, but also ensures that the medication reaches you in optimal condition, ready for use. The last one is perception and adherence. Lastly, patient perception is a significant consideration. Many patients are accustomed to the traditional round or oval tablet shape, associating it with familiarity and trust. Introducing unconventional shapes might impact patient adherence, as it could be perceived as unfamiliar or even intimidating. Pharmaceutical companies aim to make medications as user-friendly as possible, and maintaining patient confidence in their medication is essential for successful treatment outcomes. So, there you have it, the mystery behind why pharmaceutical tablets aren't crafted into triangles, rectangles, or squares. From safety concerns and manufacturing challenges to uniform distribution, stability, and even packaging considerations, each factor plays a pivotal role in the design choices made by pharmaceutical companies. If you found this video enlightening, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more intriguing content, and hit the notification bell to stay updated. Thanks for joining us.